Hi, I'm Mick. I'd like to show you some of our caster range. Today we come live from a huge Epping warehouse, stock full of product available for you to buy direct or buy online. The first one I'd like to show you is our twin wheel, low profile, heavy duty caster. The one I've got in my hand is 50mm in size. It has a load rating of 200 kilos. It's also available in 40mm. That has a load rating of 150. We then step into our light industrial range. Non-marking grey rubber, also available in bolt hole. These have a load rating of 25 kilos each. Medium industrial series casters. These are 75mm, black rubber and non-marking grey rubber. They both have a load rating of 50 kilos. Medium industrial series 100mm, non-marking blue rubber, very, very popular. Black rubber, and my favourite, PU. These ones have a dome tyre, so it makes it easier to push a trolley when it's static with particularly heavy load on. These have a load rating of 120 kilos. We now move into our economy series. Available in both white nylon and black rubber. They have a very wide and heavy head race, large base plate. These have a rating of 120 kilos. These represent great value for money. Our 5-inch series of the medium industrial, again, non-marking blue rubber, very popular. I like these, non-marking grey rubber, particularly with the silver thread guards. This is a 6-inch version of the black rubber, again with the thread guards. These all have a load rating of 130 kilos. We now move into the heavy industrial series range of casters. These are available 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch and 8-inch. This is the 4-inch one I have here. It's polyurethane on cast iron. You can see it's got quite a flat tyre. This is polyurethane on nylon. Now you wouldn't think they would have the same load rating, but actually they do, both at 270 kilos. I particularly like this wheel. It's got the dome tyre. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. These are the 6-inch version. Just check the load rating on that one. These have a load rating of 360 kilos. This is the 8-inch version, polyurethane on cast iron, polyurethane on nylon. These have a load rating of 460 kilos. This one's slightly different. I particularly like the black frame. It's a heavy industrial caster, very, very rugged, black rubber wheel. It's fitted with really high quality precision bearings. I guess that shows it all. We then move into our cast iron range. It's available. What's pictured here is 6 and 8-inch. These have a load rating 6-inch, 400 kilos. The 8-inch, 500 kilos. We also have them available in 75mm and 100mm. They're a medium industrial rating. They would have a rating of 120 kilos. I'll just move around the back. We go into our supercaster range. This is the 6-inch twin wheel version. Has a huge plate, huge head race. It's rated at 1,000 kilos. Ideal for heavy loads. Now this one's my favourite caster. Well, I'll show the wheel in a minute. You can see with this, it's 10mm thick, both in the plate and the forks. Very big head race. very good bearings in it, very high capacity. That's the wheel that goes into it. Excellent quality precision bearings. It's wider than the heavy duty series. It's actually 60mm wide. This one has a load rating of 1.6 tonnes. Also available in 6-inch, 1.4 tonnes. I'm just going to walk around the back to show some more. What we have here is our pneumatic range. 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch. 6-inch rating, 100 kilos, 8-inch, 120, and 10-inch, 130 kilos. These are very, very popular. Now, the bugbear with any pneumatic wheel is it goes flat. These are good quality, but you can't guarantee you can have the wheel for 3 years, have no issues, have the wheel for 2 days and get a puncture. You can solve this issue with a flat-free or gel wheel. They're made from polyurethane. They suit most applications, and we have them available in 6, 8 and 10-inch. Now, this wheel, flat-free, doesn't have any air. No air, no flats. Fantastic. Now, if you're having issues in selecting the correct caster for your application, there's a caster selection on our website, aussietrolleys.com.au. You shoot us an email, happy to advise you. Just pick up the phone and ring, or come in direct. We're only too happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching.